In this daily drop, it's a slight progression towards the new set for the barn, so let's go. All right, kids, here we are, and there has been a little bit of progress if you've been following along from the last episode in terms of the background that I'm going to be using for, or I think I'm going to be using for some new content that I'll be creating. Still haven't decided if this is going to be for the daily drop or another channel or for both. That's a whole different discussion. And with it just being the first official day of me being back and trying to catch up with emails and everything else, I'm happy with the progress I've made, but there's still some issues. I flipped the key to handle some issues with this seam right here, because it's not lining up perfectly, and I knew I was going to have some problems with that. Obviously, I have painted this now a navy blue color, but there's still some issues. I think I may have to do one more coat, and then how I handle this, I'm not sure. I'm just looking on monitor here for reference. But once I get it to a place where I'm relatively happy, and I'm definitely side keying a little bit more to hide some of those problems. If I just go ahead and pan that light, you can see right there that there's some issues, and I think that extra coat of paint may help. I'm not looking for the background to be brightly lit, but then once I've sort of settled on it, it's time to bring in some of the props or elements. I mentioned this in the last episode. It's going to have a little bit of an 80s vibe, because that was, well, those are my formative years. And I was Gen X. I still am, as far as I know. But really that generation that transitioned from analog to digital. So I've got some things here that are more analog than digital. But not loving this phone that I got. It's supposed to be more of an ash color. So I've got one that's red that's coming in. Whether that prop stays on the desk or not, I'm not sure. I'm going to 86 this cover. This is for other types of videos. So I may just go back to the straight wood, or I may go with a cork cover on the table. Obviously, you know, East Coast representing from the 80s. I've got to have some Adidas or Pumas. Nikes weren't a big thing unless you were in sports in the 80s. But if streetwear wise, it was usually, at least where I grew up in New York, Adidas, Puma. People were, of course, wearing Reeboks, but that's a different type of style. This Sony Walkman that I've had forever, this will probably be a prop on a little shelf that I'll put up with command strips, and that'll hold that. The sneaker or sneakers, depending on the configuration, will also be drill-less, so I will actually put these up and they'll hold these on the shelf. So the whole configuration of all of that, I haven't figured out. This is sort of the area that's off limits, the center part, unless something goes up here or here, but I think it'll be distracting. But either side of me will be where there's going to be elements that'll be hanging from these floating shelves. Got a Olympus camera, that'll probably go up there. I'm going to try to keep the desk or table area as clear as possible. The phone may be here just in case I've got to take a call. I don't know. I'm getting there. I'm happy with the color. I don't mind that it's kind of fading to black on one side, but I would like to handle this seam a little bit better. And again, I think I got to hit this with another. I'm sorry, I keep looking over here, but it's my reference. You know what I could do? Make life a lot easier if I just put the reference in front of me. And then I could point to stuff. Duh. So I think this middle section right here is going to need one more coat of paint. It's not necessarily going to solve the fact that this is not completely lined up and even on this seam right here, but I'm getting there. Need a little bit of kick here, which I can handle pretty easily with a light. I just don't want it to bloom on this corner over here. So there's some considerations, but all in all, for another day. I'm definitely making progress, and I think there'll be some more progress by tomorrow. We'll kind of see how it goes, but it's moving along. So there you go. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.